It's the first week of 2024 and I've already put myself into drawdown. To put things into context, I stopped trading back in November when I lost my funded accounts. We did get one more payout, so we got 4 payouts in total from TFT. But after that, I blew up. I took a break for about 6 weeks. I bought 1 million in funded challenges in the Black Friday sales, and I've been sitting on them until the new year, which is now. I loaded them up all into the trade copier, tilted on Wednesday, and I'm down 3%. In this video, the mission is really to get back to break even. I've put myself in this position time and time again, and I could talk at length about self-sabotage. And despite me knowing this, I'm still vulnerable to this pattern of behavior. Whatever I do, it's got to be the opposite to what my mind wants to do when I'm in those situations. My approach has got to be unconventional. I've got to somehow give myself the freedom to trade how I want to trade and build structure and rules around that. It's going to be a tough road ahead, but deep down I do have the confidence to get there. It is Monday. The European session is about to open. It's actually afternoon here in Manila, Philippines. A big part of the reason why I'm here is a new environment is going to help a lot with change. It's going to take a while for me to warm up into this video or getting into the routine of making videos. Let's lock in. I'm about to sit down, see what the market gives me today. The Asian session has been quiet apart from gold. European Open was about 2 minutes ago. The Asian range has been pretty tight. Gold does look heavy, so I am preferring the short. I want to see how it acts when it starts approaching the low it's made. I can see some moves in gold. I'm not sure if I can justify shorting it at this price. Probably won't get much of a bounce. Okay, I've literally just executed a buy on gold. I know I said I was short. I haven't flipped my bias. I'm looking for a short-term move into London. Like I said, they're going to be a bit more flexible. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so we're out of the trade. Bad trade, but small loss. So we're just getting warmed up. My laptop actually shut down, so I lost what I recorded in the last 15 minutes. But I'm in a gold short, second trade of the day. It was my original bias. Gold in particular has just been super heavy. Gold's a very, very sneaky pair. Even though we've got a good retracement against the dollar on currency pairs. GU, look at that retracement. EU, got a retracement. We've even got yields. Dropped down earlier, didn't lend any strength to gold, and gold is still compressed. I'm gonna get out of this trade, I think. You know what's funny? I forgot we got that 7 o'clock candle. I just flipped my bias. I think we're just squeezing up now. Could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll be wrong quickly. Yeah, oh, there you go. There was the move I was waiting for. Okay. Alright guys, gonna call it quits. Making its move probably, but yeah, cut the trade and then reverse position like an idiot. Oh man, I just cheated myself out of a good move. I mean, this is really the story of my trading sometimes. We got in short here, didn't have the patience to hold it. For some strange reason, I decided to flip my position. Price weren't moving. Price just melted. And it melted for no reason, like I said, because gold is acting very strange. As you can see, the pound, the euro, they haven't moved. Gold is flushing out, basically. I've seen it many times before. Gold is a very manipulated pair. This is what I was kind of anticipating. Nobody would want to go short here, close to the low of the day. When you're kind of watching those cross correlations and the price action is just moving weird, very likely there's going to be something strange happening. Because I trade off the 1 minute as well, moves in momentum, you want them to happen fairly quickly. These are the uncomfortable trades that yield the best, if you know what you're looking for. I just wasn't in the zone. I think I was just, I don't know. But anyway, tomorrow's a new day. I need to be able to warm up faster. Sometimes I come to the market, especially in drawdown, I'm a bit risk adverse. It is what it is. Okay, so we're about 15 minutes away from the European Open. I'm looking for longs on gold today. I'm looking for continuation long on GU. Levels to buy off GU around 27.10. It might get there, but it will take a while to get there, so we might see a grind down. Gold, I believe the pullback is not going to be that deep, but yeah, let's see what the market brings us. Should be a little bit of a pullback on the open, so a little bit of dollar strength coming in. I mean, I could ride the pullback down. I know there's going to be a good 20 pips there. I think after yesterday, I'm not warmed up enough yet to float in and out of trades. Warming up is key, warming up to risk, warming up our eyes to the markets. Just entered my first position on gold. Currently $200 risk, so giving it some room to scale in. Okay, scaled in one more time. Check. Okay, yeah, I've just realized I've been recording off my Mac laptop microphone all this time, so apologies for the poor audio. So London Open, not much happened. We've seen a slow creep up in price. Last scale in here, and we're going to see if we can squeeze past these highs. Guys, I'm going to go long on EU. I was looking for the long on GU, but EU might be the better pair. Okay, so we're in 2 trades. Gold is looking good. We're approaching the highs. We just got into this EU trade. Oh, why are you spinning back, mate? We tapped into the high, getting a bit of a rejection. Seems to be quite strong, to be honest. Euro trade reacted straight away very nicely. Don't need to squeeze the Euro trade, but could put one more unit. I'm still going to keep it $200 risk. I'm just going to have a tighter stop. Currently up 1.1%. I'm going to have to log off and charge my phone. But yeah, both trades looking good. So as soon as I turn off the camera, price starts going the other way. We got stopped out of that euro dollar trade, spun around real quick, and then gold has given back half of its gains. But anyway, I'm gonna keep watching price for a little while. Not so smooth today. Might end up flat. Okay guys, so I just executed on GU. So basically the pullback that we had planned from the beginning, the opportunity was there, and I think I done the right thing by executing. Just about got stopped out on GU. It's okay. You know what? I just added into GU. Fuck it. I think we'll be okay. Yes, I've added a tiny bit more risk than I wanted to. Yes, we had a so-so-ish trade on EU, which was kind of impulsive. Gold has pulled back way more than I'm comfortable with, but that's trading. Pullbacks can be deep. Yeah, I'm giving myself a pep talk right now. My battery is probably gonna die soon. Still in these trades, still praying to the trading gods. Not gonna lie to you, but after this, if I get stopped out of both trades, I'm not trading anymore. It's not like we've actually been in drawdown today. We haven't, but it has been a stressful day. Okay, I'm gonna have to go charge my phone. Hopefully this time when I have to turn off the camera, it doesn't just spin around like last time. GU's starting to play out. Let's give gold another attempt to break the highs. So, you never guess what happened again. Right on schedule, 3 minutes after I get stopped out on gold, after waiting around for hours, price spikes up, hits my target. Literally 3 minutes after. Exactly what happened to me yesterday, exactly what happened last week, but the difference is I'm not gonna let it get to me. It is Wednesday, we're about an hour away from the European Open. I haven't had a chance to prepare yet because I've been out and about in Manila. Just had something to eat. I don't know if anybody wants to see Manila or the Philippines. I'm not sure how good at vlogging I'll be, but yeah, I'm happy to show you around if you like that kind of content in between the trading. I can give you a quick tour of the studio I'm staying in. Actually, the Airbnb is small, so it's a studio flat, relatively cheap. I come here to write on my journal. Got a kitchen that I'll never use, fridge, nice big TV that I'll never use. What else? Bathroom. Gonna jump in a cold shower in a second. and balcony, which is always good. We are just by the river. So nice view of the city. So I'm in a GU trade already. I didn't have time to record the execution. We scaled into a long. The trade yesterday, we got stopped out of it. We took some profit off at the top of this swing here, but then we got a break even. The last couple of days haven't been productive. We had a $200 loss on Monday, $200 gain on Tuesday, so we're flat for the week, exactly where our accounts were sitting at. Let's see if we can position ourselves into something good before the open. If not, there's about $300 risk on the table, I believe, and I don't care. I'll take that loss. I think the most important thing, like I said, is always finding trust in yourself. If I can trust myself to take the losses, I can afford to have more freedom getting into trades. London open now, so volume's going to kick in. There is plenty of upside. We're about to break Asian highs right now. Initial target of 27.25. Let's see what happens when we get there. Okay, so it's still in the GU trade. It's just about tapped our TP. And nothing's telling me to get out of it, to be honest. I am up 1.3% on this trade. Still holding on to this pretty much full volume. We did take one lot off here just to be safe. Morning, people. It is Thursday, 2 hours away from the London Open. Today is CPI. Yesterday, only took one trade. I couldn't record for the rest of the day. It was chopping around. I did think we had a further leg to go, so I basically held the trade. That was my expectations. It didn't go any further that day. I was waiting around before US Open. I took a little profit off here. Then I added to the position just here, which meant I had to move my stop up a few pips. Got stopped out. I would have got stopped out anyway, even if I hadn't have added to this position. I really thought we was going to have a second leg, but it just ranged around, creeped higher to the end of the day, and then the move completed during Asia. So the question is, am I still bullish on GU at this point with one session away from CPI? I am. I'm still bullish on GU, but I just trying to work out how to enter. Okay, so I've gone long here. I think we're just going to break out. There's going to be no pullback. Small position, $200 risk, looking to scale in quickly. I'm going to give it some room actually. Okay, I've added in. Let's see, I don't really have much time for this trade to develop, because if we get to Frankfurt Open and my position is still open, we could easily get stop hunted anyway. So I've tightened my stop. I'm literally buying the daily high, the weekly high for the breakout for a move pre-Frankfurt London Open to 2800. So I'm looking for a sharp, quick move. Yeah, dollar seems to be strengthening here. I'm cutting half the position, so that's a $72 loss, giving it a little bit more room. So yeah, I've made the decision to quickly cut half my position, probably scaled in prematurely, and we're probably going to get stopped out. In fact, I'll probably just cut the rest of my position. So guys, as you can see, I'm in a trade I shouldn't be in. I haven't closed it. Yeah, maybe I'm using the excuse that I'm going to scale in, but this is already a bigger loss than I wanted, and I should be out of this. I should be out of this trade. I was recording earlier, but my microphone died. I didn't actually notice the execution was somewhere. Oh wait, no, this trade I got out of it. Then anyway, I just wanted to get this on camera, so I'm going to take this loss. We're going to be down a little bit more than 1% for the day. I think the most crucial thing right now is for me to accept this loss and yeah, move on. CPI is today, but there's no way I'm going to trade that, not when I've already kind of tilted. I wouldn't say I've fully gone on tilt, but I should have accepted that I was wrong, and then I kind of thought it would be okay to give away the profit I made yesterday, and I moved my stop as well. It's not a good look. but this is my last trade. That's it. What's up, people? It is Friday, end of the week for me. I've got to record this very quickly because I'm about to go out. Today was a tough day. Took a small loss, or took about 0.7%. Got unlucky on gold again. Got stopped out just before the move. Pound, had some profit on the table. Got stopped out, took a loss. Yesterday, you saw me, I was in drawdown, more than I should have been. Price did retrace back to my entry, so I managed to get out break even that day. So that leaves us basically flat for the week. Next week, I've just got to really focus and grind. There was a lot of mistakes made this week. I was impatient. I didn't take profits when I had a lot of opportunity to do so. And that's part of that mentality when you're in drawdown. For me, I'm trying to hold on to trades longer than I should. Let me know in the comments how you guys are doing on your journeys. I hope you're all well. I hope you're still here with me. Do you know what I mean? It's been ups and downs. Most of the people that watch this channel are people that have experience, not really beginners, I notice. So, and I speak to a lot of you as well. So I hope you guys are still staying strong and growing. 2024, let's do something different. Let's be different. Let's stop what we was doing in 2023 that weren't working, and rethink our approach. It's time to start teaching ourselves and not relying on, so much good information online. Don't get me wrong. Everything you hear is great. It's solid advice, but we're all kind of different. So we got to work with ourselves. We got to lean on our experience more. If you've been trading for a few years, you know where you're going wrong, and I do, and I've just got to try my best to focus in on the present moment, be objective when I'm facing stress in the markets, understand in the past my patterns of behavior, and then do the opposite. Sounds like mumbo jumbo, but trust me, that's what I got to do. And stay focused, and don't let the ups and downs affect us so much. And it's affected me a lot. I'm yapping. All right, I'll catch you guys next week. Love.